The Invoice Registry. To access the Invoice Registry, click on the Transaction Payments tab. Then press the Invoice Registry button. A listing of all invoices will be shown on the screen, with invoice number, date, and customer shown, along with aging of the accounts as well. To see only the unpaid invoices, check the View Unpaid Invoices button checkbox. If I want to look up for example, an account, I can just type the account name in, and then the open invoices are shown here. If I want to reprint them, I can simply select them, and then down here select Print Selected Invoices. Click on it. They'll be displayed one at a time. I can reprint them if I choose to. Close them, and then the next invoice will come up in succession, and so on, and they can be printed. Likewise, go ahead and clear filter, go back here again. If you click on each of the invoices, they're shown below you on the screen. Likewise, when you're in this screen, you can jump to account information, go into the transaction file, account review. If I go to transactions, I can see the actual transactions that make up all the invoices. If I want to, I can search inside of this screen as well, but just by typing over the column header or for an invoice number. Also, I can group everything in this file. If I want to group by type, which is payments, I just simply grab that header and drop it into here, and you'll notice now it's grouped by type and also sorted with category totals. Here's the total of all charges, and then the total of all payments. If I want to group it by type and then code, I just simply drag it up here, and now it's grouping it by the individual codes, so I can quickly see any of the given categories within this. So it's simple to group things and search using this filter bar and also the drag and drop of the column headers. That's all for the registry searching and the utilities to search around. Also, let me just hit clear filter to go for the searches. If you wanted to find all of the items that were over 60 days, you would just type it here, over 60, and so on. These are all represent overdue bills. Again, you can sort it by, if you want to find all the ones that are over 90 days due, you just simply do that. Again, you could select them and reprint them if you choose to. Also, you could print out statements for those selected accounts as well. The totals are shown on the columns below it. And again, if you click on it, you will simply find that person. If you want to find a particular invoice, you hit the Find button. And then you can search on any of these fields for the date range provided, and it will, again, list them up in the Invoice Registry. Thank you for the Invoice Registry.